So here at CannonBall, it's the largest patio on the beachfront here at Mission Beach. It's part of the Belmont Park Entertainment underneath Belmont Park. It's an iconic amusement park. It's one of a kind on the beachfront. It's an outdoor vibe, so that's why we ended up going with some high quality heaters to make sure it's comfortable on the beachfront winds. The heaters that we had, they were with propane, and it was always a pain for our waiters and staff setting up. They were always in the way. Trays would get knocked into when they're serving the guests. Guests would trip over them going to the restroom, so we looked into Calcana. And with the quality of the natural gas hookup, it'll save us on budget pricing for our propane, obviously. And then the overall guest experience is much better now. They're up out of the way. They hang on the beams perfectly fine. The wall mounts are really clean. What I like most about them is the factor that it gives a wide spread. The other heaters, there's basically like a 3-foot radius. These ones can output 5 to 10 feet with the customer being comfortable, but the people that are close to it don't feel an overwhelming sense of heat.
I'm Mike from Advanced Systems, gasoutdoorpatioheaters.com. We were contracted to install all these Calcana heaters on the CannonBall restaurant and draft down below. We chose Calcana on this project because we need a lot of heat. With Calcana heaters, we can get adjustable heat up to 75,000 BTU, which we need in the open because of the wind here. Okay, what we had to do on this job was engineer the entire job with the gas, the electric, placement of the heaters, bracketry of the heaters, mounting of everything, serviceability, and to make sure we didn't have any dead spots within the facility to make sure everything was warm. Every heater is adjustable independently, so each area can have its own heat range for the customers underneath it. So if there's one customer that doesn't like that much heat or one that needs more heat, crank them up, crank them down. We have 30 heaters here to do it with. Yeah, we built all the switching panels for it. We wired everything in, all the low voltage controls and everything's in one separate area with 3 separate patios. And labeled 1 to 10, so they know which patio it is.
So here at CannonBall, we offer some pretty amazing panoramic views of San Diego beachfront. One of the really great things is since we made the switch to Calcana heaters, we have been able to open up that view and really showcase the amazing views that we offer. One of the great things about it is now that the view is completely unobstructed. Calcana heaters has really improved the guest experience, and that's one of the biggest things that we take pride in.
I mean, we got the largest patio over the beautiful ocean, and now that they're hung up nice with nice clean brackets, it's a good look and they're out of the way. Customers can't even see them.